Yeah, it's the Glockbrothers. Hey, we got an idea for you, Glock. We got a.
Because we are the Glockbrothers, brothers of long lost Gaston.
Yeah. And apparently Big Lou's got an accent now.
I was watching the History channel.
Alright, speed it up there.
And don't you love a History channel?
Yeah,
anyway,
anyway,
here's the idea.
full
Cut
size.
it right here.
Right
So you
there.
just get 2 fingers on. Okay? Just get 2 fingers on. Like the subcompact. So you got the full size, the full sights. But then you don't have the full grip that prints for concealed carry purposes. But then you still have the long sight radius, the longer barrel.
What would
And
be,
that's this.
what would be the advantages of having a longer barrel?
Okay. You know, it's easier to shoot the longest sights. Longer barrel. It's easy to conceal this pot. It's hard to conceal this pot. So that's why you chop it.
And we're not recommending you go out and get a bandsaw and cut it off that way.
So that will be the Glock 40, will be the 9mm. The Glock 41 would be it in 40 caliber. The Glock 42 would be it in 10mm. The Glock, no, 357 SIG will be the 42. The 43 will be the 10mm. The 44, no, wait, let's make the Glock 45 in 45 with a cut. Okay? For you 45 guys. The Glock 44 would be it in 380 caliber. There you go. There's 5 more models for you, Glock. There you go. You haven't really done anything really innovative.
That's free of charge
time.
from the Glockbrothers.
No, we want 10 cents on the dollar for your holler.
Maybe a royalty check or something like that.
There you go. Just gave you guys 5 more models. Then, actually, you know what the Glock 40 should be? A Glock in 22 caliber. Yeah. If they make one in 22 caliber, I am such a fanboy. I would pick that bad boy up tomorrow.
I'm a Glock appreciator just as much as the next guy, and I probably would wait to buy it.
Well, here's the thing. If it sucks, then I sell it. I ain't out any money.
Anyway, hey, so yeah, there's a good idea for you, Glock. Hopefully you like it. Hopefully the check is in the mail.
We know you guys watch. All 245,000 subscribers that we got.
Yeah, Glock is one of our subscribers, the actual business Glock.
Not just Glock USA, but Glock Europe.
Yeah, Glock Europe.
Our European friends from across the pond.
Glock Euro and Glock USA. They're like, oh, hey, Glockbrothers, how you doing? Love what you're doing.
Do you need us?
Great stuff.
Do you need us to send?
I think that's Arnold calling us again. Anyway, gotta get this. Last time we hung up on him, he got mad. Signing out.